If you're gearing up for your GCSE computer science exam, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Those justify your choice questions. They can be tricky, right? Well, in this explainer, we're going to crack the code on one of the most common ones, picking the right storage device.
So here it is, the classic exam question. You've got a student, they need to shuttle files back and forth between home and school. Simple enough. But should they use an optical disc, like a DVD, or a solid-state device, like a USB stick? Now, the real trick here isn't just picking one. The marks, and I mean all the marks, are in the justification.
To absolutely nail this kind of question, you need a system. Think of it like a mental toolkit that you can pull out for any hardware choice the exam decides to throw at you. It's a framework, a way of thinking that lets you evaluate your options perfectly every single time.
I mean, think about it. You wouldn't just guess, would you? Whether you're choosing between magnetic, optical, or solid-state storage, you've got to evaluate them against a standard set of criteria to see which one is actually the right tool for the job.
And here they are, the essential tools for your toolkit: capacity, speed, portability, durability, reliability, and cost. Seriously, for pretty much any hardware question, you just need to run your options through these 6 filters. So let's put it into practice, shall we?
Okay, it's time for the main event. Let's put optical and solid state head to head. We're going to use our new criteria to break down which one is the best fit for our student.
First up, durability. Now, picture a school bag. You know what they're like. An optical disc? It's so fragile. One bad scratch and poof, your data could be gone for good. A solid-state device, though, it's got no moving parts. It's built to be knocked around. For a student, that's a huge advantage.
All right, let's talk portability and capacity. Now, sure, they're both pretty easy to carry, but an optical disc, like a DVD, tops out at about 4.7 gigabytes. A solid-state drive can hold way more data, and if you're working on big project files like videos or high-res images, that is absolutely essential.
And this brings us to a really crucial point: modern usability. Solid-state is just way, way faster, which is amazing when you're trying to save your work quickly at the end of a lesson. But maybe even more important, think about compatibility. I mean, how many modern laptops even have a DVD drive anymore? Not many. USB ports, on the other hand, they are literally everywhere.
So, the showdown is over, and based on our criteria, we have a clear winner. Now, the final step, let's assemble all of these points into a perfect 4-mark answer.
First things first, you state your choice clearly, confidently. The most suitable device is solid state. But, and this is so important, remember what the mark scheme says. This statement, by itself, gets you 0 marks. Zilch. The justification is everything. So here's how you build that full mark answer. You just turn our analysis into clear, simple points. Number 1, it's way more durable, so it's not going to get wrecked in a bag. 2, it's small, light, and super portable. 3, it's got higher capacity and it's much faster to use. And 4, it's universally compatible thanks to USB ports. That's it. That's your full mark answer right there.
So what have we really learned here today? It's not just the answer to one specific question, is it? We've actually built a reusable framework for success.
And honestly, this is the most important thing to take away. The next time you see a question asking you to choose the right hardware, don't panic. Just pull out your toolkit: capacity, speed, portability, durability, reliability, cost, and build your justification step by step. That framework is your absolute key to getting those top marks.